Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, are you interested to practice mathematics? Then today in this session we discuss some important questions of chapter integer. If you revise the chapter, then this session for you. So let's start the session. First question number 1. Total 15 mark. Okay, full mark 15 mark. Try to solve these questions within 10 minutes. First, I will show you questions. This is question number 1 to 9. Then take a screenshot and solve. After that, you check your answer. So this is total number of question is 15. The first question, 8 plus absolute value of minus 15. First, you solve the absolute value, that is minus 15 absolute value is 15 plus 8. Now solve 8 plus 5, 13. So that is 23. Okay. So first you remember that the two rules are there. First is same sign, another is different sign. If the same sign, then first you add the number and put the sign same sign. Okay, when the sign are different, then first you subtract. Okay, now then put the bigger number sign. Okay, suppose one example, that is minus 7 plus 5. Here they are the different sign because 7 sign is minus and 5 sign is plus. That's why they are the different sign. First we subtract from 7 to 5, that is 2. Now bigger number sign is minus, so answer is minus 2. Now the next example, that is minus 2 plus minus 3. Here is same sign, that's why first we add the number. So 3 plus 2, that is 5. So same sign, that is minus. So answer will be minus 5. Understand? Now solve this question number 2. Minus 36 plus 7. Here different sign. First subtract, that is 29. So big number sign is minus. So put the sign minus. Okay. Now successor of minus 16 is dash. So answer is minus 15. Because successor means plus 1. So there is minus 16 plus 1. So different sign means subtract, that is 15. So big number sign is minus. So put minus. Understand? Now next question number 4. 12 minus. First we convert this minus into plus. First we write 12 plus, then change 8. Additive inverse of minus 8, that is plus 8. Now 12 plus 8, that is 20. Or simply you can multiply minus into minus, that is plus. So 12 plus 8, that is 20. Understand? Now question number 5. Minus 27, here also minus and minus, so plus. So that is minus 27 plus 17. Here different sign, so subtract. So 10 to minus, big number sign is minus. Okay. Now next question number 6. The sum of the two integer is minus 22. Suppose this is one integer and also this is another integer. When you add these two integer, then the sum will equal to minus 22. Now one of them is 8, the another is suppose x. Then how to find the x? So x is equal to minus 22. Here is plus 8. Then যদি আমি সেপারেট করব সেটা হয়ে যাব minus 8. Now same sign, তো same sign means addition, that is minus 30. Okay, so answer will be minus 30. Next question, 0 minus minus means plus, that is 0 plus 13, that is 13. Now next question number 8. 0 is a positive integer. No, because 0 is not positive, not negative. That's why this is false. Now minus 15 absolute value, that is 15 plus minus 10, so different sign, subtract, that is 5, so plus 5. So this is false. Okay. Now next question, question number 10. All natural number are integer, true or false? True, because natural number are 1, 2, 3, yes or no? But integer are 0, 1, 2, plus 1, minus 1, okay, minus 2. So here is 0, 1, 2, that's why all natural number are integer. Also all whole number are integer. Okay. Now next question. 9 plus 1 minus 61. First we add 9 plus 1, that is 10. So subtract. So 10 minus 61. Here different sign. So different sign means first we subtract 1, 5. Then put the minus sign because big number sign is minus. Okay. Now P is minus 2. First read the number line. The answer Q is 3. Now next question. On subtracting minus 40 from 40, we get 80. Okay, first we check. 40, first we write down from, that is 40. Next, from subtract, that is minus. Again minus 40. So first write down. Now here is minus and minus, so plus. So 40 plus 40, that is 80. So this is true. Clear? Check your answer. Now question number 14. 13 plus minus 12 equal to minus 12 plus 13. It is a dash law. This is commutative law. Then what is associative law? That is A plus B plus C. First we bracket A plus B. Then equal to A plus B plus C. Then we bracket B plus C. This is known as associative law. Okay. Then what is closure property? Now closure property means when we add two integers, suppose 2 plus 3, then it is also a integer. Okay, the sum is also a integer. Clear? This is known as closure property. Now question number 15. The difference of two integer is always an integer. Yes, true. Completed. Kete score kalo? Comment reply karo. If you like this session, then you can subscribe my channel for more session. Okay, thank you.